Okay, so today's Monday mood board is a really fun basement wet bar edition. They have some cool kind of barn rustic flooring, is that what you'd call it?
Totally.
Some brown and some gray undertones. Really cool thing is they are doing Irish cream on the base cabinets and kind of building their way up. We chose a dark soapstone charcoal countertop. We didn't want it to look too kitcheny because it's in a basement. So created this moody look, and then these awesome small square tiles that share a lot of light texture with this warm maple cabinet up top. Yeah, we love the biscotti.
Love it. My favorite thing about this too is how it's the opposite of what you would expect. I love that the wood tone is on the upper and the lighter color is on the lower. Like something different, but yet makes such a statement.
Yeah, and I think for a basement, like you want to create light in there because basements naturally are dark and dreary, and this is going to add such an awesome design element to this client's basement.